Ibrahim alayhi salam. He is known as Khalilullah or Khalilur Rahman, the friend of Allah Azza wa Jal. That is the title Allah Azza wa Jal gave him in the Quran. Ibrahim alayhi salam, he was born in what is known today as Iraq. This is where he was raised, this was where he was nurtured. His father and his mother were there. And from the very beginning, Allah Azza wa Jal preserved his fitrah. And he remained a young boy upon at-tawheed, upon la ilaha illallah. And he was the only son to his father Azar, who was a great mushrik. Not only that, he was manufacturing idols and selling it to the people, misguiding many. And he wanted to involve his son in his business. So he said to him, my son, take these idols, go to the marketplace and sell them. So Ibrahim alayhi salam took the idols and he went to the marketplace. And he began to say, أيها الناس من يشتري صنما لا يضر ولا ينفع. He said, oh mankind, people, who's interested in purchasing an idol that does not benefit nor does it harm? And his father got really upset and angry from him. And after a while, his father threatened him with two things. He said to him, لَإِن لَمْ تَنْتَهِ لَأَرْجُمَنَّكَ وَهْجُرْنِي مَلِيًّا. He said to him, my son, if you don't stop this da'wah of yours, if you don't stop this preaching of la ilaha illallah to myself and to my people, لَأَرْجُمَنَّكَ, I am going to stone you to death. That's a threat, I will kill you. هَجُرْنِي مَلِيًّا, do hajr of me, meaning keep away from me. I'm going to abandon you, I don't want to see you. So Ibrahim alayhi salam, after trying many ways with his people and different methods of preaching to them la ilaha illallah, he saw that there was no hope in Iraq. So he packed up all alone and he left. He said, وَقَالَ إِنِّي ذَاهِبٌ إِلَىٰ رَبِّي. He said, I am migrating, I am going to my Lord. What does it mean, I am going to my Lord and walking out of the city? What, is that a destination? And if you put in Google Allah, would that take you anywhere? So what is he saying? You see, if your purpose and direction in life is Allah, then Allah will guide every step of yours. Every step of yours will be guided by Allah Azza wa Jalla until you reach every place that pleases Him subhanahu wa ta'ala. So he left the town. And Ibrahim alayhi salam was one of few prophets that did not make dua against his people. He walked out and he did not make dua against them. And he went to Palestine.